Hey everyone, this is Tim with InfiSense giving you a quick demo of the Excel dashboard tool. So once you followed the instructions in the other video and downloaded this from our API, you should open up the file, enable macros, enter your API key up here and hit Get Started. And what that'll immediately do is give you a list of all your devices in your fleet. And in this case, we just have a simple one that shows 2 devices, and you can immediately tell whether it's online or offline, the minutes it's last heard, some basic information around the device identifiers, and then any contextual information you put in here, such as, uh, you know, Jake's house or room number 2 would come up here if you use our contextual tools. You also get a quick hit of any gateways you have under your account. And then the real value here is peace of mind when installing and while managing your fleet out in the field. And if you use the device and gateway status tab, you can paste in any up to hundreds of gateways and devices that you're interested in watching their status, and you can just click check status and get some very basic helpful info. So when was the last time it was heard? What was that actual timestamp? What's the battery level on devices? And whether you've got good signal strength from devices to gateway, and whether your gateways have any connectivity issues. So that's great for peace of mind and can really help give you some assurances out in the field. There is latest data that's just always there as a check, whatever the last report was. But then the interesting part for playing with the data comes on data for charts. So over here, you can click on Get Last 24 Hours, Get Last 7 Days, or enter in custom dates and then click Get Custom Date Range, and you'll pull the data you're interested in. And just a tip here, if you have hundreds of devices, but you're only interested in a few, on this tab, if you just hit X, then when you go over here and click on the data for charts, you'll only get those devices to choose from. It will rule out the other ones that you're not interested in. So once you've selected the date ranges you want to see, you come over to chart, and there's a lot of ways to play here, but you can pick your devices, pick your data points, and plot them out, and you can choose which axes to show data on. You can duplicate the chart tab to have other charts. You can reset it if you want to start over, and you can go from there and enjoy things like looking at occupancy and CO2 concentration or any other parameters that you're sensing. So have fun, play, and just shout out with questions. Thanks.